Power BI, developed by Microsoft, is a comprehensive business analytics tool that enables users to visualize data and make informed decisions through interactive dashboards and reports. It allows connectivity to multiple data sources, transforms and models data, and creates dynamic visualizations such as charts, graphs, and maps. Users can share reports within their organization and analyze trends and key metrics in real time. Key features include: 1. Interactive dashboards, dynamic dashboards incorporating various visual elements. 2. Data connectivity, integration with diverse sources like Excel, SQL Server, Google Analytics, and more. 3. Data modeling, cleaning and shaping data using Power Query and DAX. 4. Natural language Q&A, AI-powered feature for querying data with natural language. 5. Real-time data, access to live data updates from various streaming sources. 6. Mobile access, dashboards accessible via the Power BI mobile app. 7. Power BI service, online platform for sharing and collaborating on reports. 8. Power BI desktop, free application for offline report creation before publishing. 9. Custom visuals, option to create or import visuals tailored to user needs. 10. Security and governance, robust security features including row-level security and audit logs. Call us, 1-800-891-3982.